guys, this is Nita Ann here with Beauty by Nita. Welcome back to my channel. And I'm so excited because I'm going to show you the benefit of the under eye correcting concealer. So I'm looking a little tired because I've been running around all day. So I'm going to show you why this is my magic wand. I keep this with me everywhere I go. I put it in my purse. So if I'm looking a little tired, I can just freshen up. So as you can see, I am going to do this underneath my eyes to brighten the dark circles a little bit. And right away, I look better. This is so much better. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation because I don't really have foundation on right now. So I'm gonna do that. But what I like to do is put this a little bit on the top of my eye as well. So I'm doing kind of that full coverage. I do have a little bit of eyeshadow on, but that's okay because I'm just gonna, you know, go over the eyeshadow because it's time to redo the eyeshadow anyway. If you ever get home from work and you're feeling extra tired, my suggestion is to freshen up your makeup because a little bit of makeup can go a long way. Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of mineral powder. I'm not gonna do the CC cream right now. Just doing a little bit of mineral powder since I'm in a hurry. And definitely needing to get my makeup on quickly since I'm on my way to a birthday party. Have to freshen up quickly. So did a little bit of mineral powder there. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of our sparkling eyeshadow, some of my favorites, on my eyelid. It's just a very light color. As you can tell, it just brightens up your eye, but I don't have to put very much on. And I love that it's kind of like makeup for dummies. So I'm gonna then do some of my mascara. This is our Lash Intensity Mascara. This is when you literally have like 5 minutes to get ready for a party or anything you're on your way to go do. Okay. And then I'm going to use our new lip crayon. This one is called Rose Visionary. Visionary Rose. Visionary Pink, I think, actually. And it's a little bit of a brighter pink. I like it. It looks good because I'm doing light eyes, so it doesn't have to be, you know, very dark on the eyes since I'm going with a darker lip. And voila. I look fabulous. Then if you need to take a little bit of the lip color and put it on your cheeks, guess what? You can do that. See, you can improvise. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's not on my teeth. And I'm all ready for my party.